Oh my god, it's a while since I've put up my actual camera. I've used my phone for a really long time. I know that some of you guys are expecting my birthday vlog with my roast, what I got for my birthday, that kind of thing. That is still coming. I just haven't finished editing it, and I wanted to put this up today because these have literally just arrived. You'll see from the title anyway, but it's the Balenciaga Adidas sneaker unboxing, because these are literally, they literally just were on the runway in New York the other day, and then they put them up on the website and they arrived already, which I was really shook about. So I wanted to do a video about that. If you're new to my channel, my name is Joel, aka Gallucks. You can go and follow me over on Instagram, where I post outfits nearly every single day and reels showing you clothing pieces or things that are more interesting. I also post now to TikTok too, so you can follow me there at Gallucks on both. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm basically a Balenciaga stan account, so if that's what you like, if you like Balenciaga as well, then I'm sure we'll be very good friends. So without further ado, let's unbox these babies. I feel like I'll keep this video short and sweet, because the amount of times, like on my old Balenciaga unboxing videos, because obviously I speak for a lot at the start, but it's my channel, so why wouldn't I? But then all the comments are like, oh, skip to 7:42 or skip to 3:48. If someone wants to put a timestamp for when I open this box, then they can do that for this video as well. So the Spring 23 fashion show for Balenciaga happened at the New York Stock Exchange. It's the first time that they've done a show in New York, I believe. Denver said it was, kind of say that like the US customers were one of the first people to really believe in Denver's like new vision for Balenciaga, so we wanted to host the show in New York, and what better place to host it than the New York Stock Exchange, because the show kind of centered around fetishism. Is that a word? Fetishism? Everyone was wearing like gimp masks and stuff like that, and it was kind of to comment on saying that money is one of the biggest fetishes of, you know, humans, and also hiding everyone's face to say that like trends and how things work nowadays in fashion kind of eliminate individuality and create like clones of each other, which goes back to like previous collections, clones and stuff like that. So it's all really, really interesting. And me jumping on that bandwagon of trends and buying into the whole Balenciaga is obviously a social experiment, and I've fallen for it. So I have got the new Balenciaga Adidas Triple S sneakers, which I'm really, really excited. I literally queued up for the very first iteration of the Triple S in 2017, 2018, whenever it was. Queued up outside the store at 7 AM to pick up the black and red pair. And I was a huge fan of them ever since. Like, some people were at the start, well, they're so ugly, and now they're like one of the most popular sneaker ever. I just posted a reel showing these on Instagram, and some of the comments are like, oh, why did they do it with the Triple S and not like the Runner? If you follow me already, you know that I wear the Runners all the time. Like, they're literally my favourite sneakers at the moment. But I said, like, the Triple S are iconic. They are so ingrained into Balenciaga's new kind of Demna's era, and they're so popular. Like, regular people on the street that aren't involved in like the fashion industry or the fashion world would recognize the Triple S at this point, because they are so common. You know, they're sung about in pop culture, in like pop songs, rap songs, all that kind of stuff. So I think, why wouldn't they do it with the Triple S? Like, they're their most iconic sneaker, so they would want to, Adidas would want to monopolize on like Balenciaga's bestsellers, I guess, which is what collaborations are. Collaborations are like mixing each other's customers and identities together, like when Gucci and Balenciaga did the Hacker Project. It was taking their iconic traits from each brand and like mixing them together, which is what this is. So you get a big blue box, which is really cute. You open it up, blue wrapping paper, tissue paper, sorry. And then you do, I already took this out, but you do get this little like dust bag for Balenciaga Adidas, and it's got the Adidas, I believe it's the trefoil, I'm not sure how you say it. And then it says Balenciaga. And then here we have Triple S. Now, in the Triple S, in the past, I've owned the black and red pair that I said that I queued up for, and then I bought the white nylon pair. They did like a nylon version for a short period of time, which I still have. I unfortunately sold my black and red ones, which is annoying. But they still sell them to this day, so I'm not like, oh, you can't get them anymore. But I've never had a black and white pair. So these are really cute. And I said to someone else, like commenting on my reels on Instagram, I was like, it's made me fall in love with the Triple S again, because I can see myself wearing these with like baggy jeans, or even like with shorts and socks and stuff like that. I really love black and white sneakers. I think the incorporation of Adidas on it is really cute. So you have the logo here on the back. You also have it on the tongue. Again, it's that like Balenciaga, but with the trefoil from Adidas. You have it inside, and you have the iconic 3 stripes, which I believe are copyrighted. Like, you can't just use 3 stripes on like joggers or like t-shirts or on sneakers, because Adidas literally have it copyrighted. That's why on most like things you see like 2 stripes or like 4 stripes, because Adidas literally own, that's like their brand identity. But Adidas is working its way through the Kering group. So we have Gucci and we have Balenciaga. I wonder who will be next. I got them in a size 42. I usually wear a size 8. These actually fit perfectly, whereas my 42 in the runners are way too big. Like, I wish I got a 41 in the runner. Even though they look similar, like the runners are just really roomy. Yeah, so let's see what... Oh, the sole is just the same as the regular Triple S, just this big kind of like alien shape with just Balenciaga written. I do wish they'd included some Adidas logo on the bottom as well, but I guess on the bottom so you won't really see it. Also, because I've not had Triple S for a while, I'm not sure if this mesh is usual to the Triple S at the moment, because we have mesh paneling here and then like a different kind of mesh here on the tongue too. I don't know whether that's part of the Adidas collab or whether that is usual to Triple S at the moment. I can't really remember what my original pair looked like. And my white nylon pair are in the top of my wardrobe in their box store right at the back. Let's try these on. Okay, I'll be trying them. Okay, I put on my baggy Balenciaga jeans so you can see Okay, so I put on my Balenciaga ripped denim so you can see like a baggy pant over the Triple S. But I'll lift them up so you can see them a little bit as well. Yeah, this size is literally so good. So Triple S, I'm a 42. Runners, I would probably be a 41. Defenders, I'm a 42. Expanders, I'm a 42. Trooper boots, I'm a 40, which is insane. I'm trying to think what other sneakers, Balenciaga sneakers I've got recently. Oh, hard Crocs, I'm a 42. I think that's about it at the moment, unless I've just forgotten a pair. So, this is what they look like with some baggy pants. And here they are. I'll pull my pants up so you can see just how they look on feet. I'm really thinking of wearing these in summer with like shorts or something. I think with white socks they look so cute. I love black and white anyway, so these are like a perfect. And the grey on the bottom is a really nice touch. Yeah, so that is the Adidas Balenciaga Triple S. So that is what they look like on feet. I would love to know what you guys think of this collaboration. I did love a few of the clothing pieces as well, but they only have a selection online at the moment, and the ones that I wanted weren't included in that, so hopefully they'll release more soon. But yeah, apart from that, I think it's a really cool collaboration. I'm excited for the rest of the show. I'm especially excited for Balenciaga's next drop, which will be fall 22, which was the Lost Tape show, which is probably my favourite show. Do let me know what you think of the Adidas Balenciaga collaboration or their recent show in the comments below. And like I said, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, over on TikTok as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.